Alright guys, so in today's video, it's just going to be a quick update. The back brakes were sticking, so I cleaned them up. So hopefully it's no longer going to be sticky back brakes. I used a Scotch-Brite pad on the spacer as well, and then I used the Scotch-Brite pad on the rear axle because it was super rusty, and I think it's just gonna spin a lot better with all these parts clean, as well as I repacked these bearings. Obviously I took off the outer bearing piece and packed inside of them, so these are packed and ready to be reassembled, and let's see if we got them good brakes. Alright, so we got the brakes assembled, and I can already tell that they're not going to be sticky. It works a lot better. Before, if I'd pull it back, it'd get stuck like that. Now it returns. So let's get it put on the bike, and hopefully they still work. Alright, so we got the back wheel on. I still am probably going to adjust this, but let's see if this returns. It does, so I know that's way better already. Alright, so I finally got it all back together. Now we're going to start her up, because I know in my last video when I put on the Yoshi, my GoPro died, so let's see if we can get a good sound video. Alright, so we got her started. There is a little bit of oil on the Yoshi right now, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's slowly burning off. But you know what? It's idling pretty good, so let's see. Well, she died, but